Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect TikTok account to TikTok Ads Manager. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for TikTok Business. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Now, in order to connect your account to the Ad Manager, you will first need to connect it with a business account. So, click on the Start Now button at top right corner and you will be prompted to create a new account. Here, click on the Sign Up with TikTok button and then sign into your TikTok account. Once done, you will be prompted to authorize the account creation. Simply click on Authorize and then enter the following business details. After you're done with it, click on Get Started, accept the terms, and then click on the Go to Ads Manager button. Now, click on the Custom mode and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can connect TikTok account to TikTok Ads Manager. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.